In this video, I am going to show you how to download Google Play Store on PC. So all you need to do is to go to your web browser and look for BlueStack and download it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now as you can see here, Google Play Store is already connected to my BlueStack here. So when you open your BlueStack also, your Google Play Store will just appear, and then you can download any games. For example, Mobile Legend, you can just install it. And then if you want to find other games also, then all you have to do is to search it on this area. Let's just say if you want to play or install Roblox, then you can just install it. So this time let's try to install Mobile Legend here. So I'll search the Mobile Legend in the Google Play Store and then click this one and then install. Now wait for a few minutes, and then once done, you can see here that something went wrong. Obviously, not all BlueStacks work in all Windows, so it's just like, according to some users, BlueStacks doesn't always work well and some common issues appear. For example, loading, crashing, and other issues. But it's the same method if you have your BlueStack with you and it's working well, so no need to worry about that. But for those who have the same problem with me, let's figure out other method for this. So all you need to do is to open your web browser again. Search for Google Play Store. At the top right corner, kindly click the three dots here. Go to More Tools and then click Create Shortcut. And now you can have your Google Play Store shortcut on your desktop. So let's try. I'm going to click this shortcut here, Google shortcut, and then I'll go to Windows, and then I will find or look for a game. For example, I am going to look for Roblox here. So as you can see, there is Roblox. And for you to get started, all you have to do is to install Roblox on your PC. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and video tutorials.